Let's see, the first thing that comes in our mind is what is augmented reality and what is virtual reality. Let's see some basic definitions of it. Augmented reality is an interactive experience of a real-world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perceptual information, that is images, video, texts, 3D models and environment. This is the general definition. We will break it down. First, let's quickly see the definition of virtual reality as well. Virtual reality is an artificial environment that is created with software and presented to the user in such a way that user suspends, believes and accepts it is a real environment. Let's see how virtual reality works first, okay? For virtual reality, a person needs a headset that we call VR headset. You can see, here is a video. Actually, the person who is using the VR headset, he is seeing something inside that VR. Say for example, some games or movies or any kind of virtual meetings, etc. But as an audience, if you are seeing that person who is using the VR headset, we will not be able to see what he is seeing. He is completely immersed in a different world. Let's see another quick definitions. We will get through it through the webinar. There is a term called mixed reality. One thing is augmented reality, one thing is virtual reality, and then there's another thing, mixed reality. Mixed reality is what? It is the use of both virtual reality and augmented reality. It creates an environment where physical and virtual objects can exist and interact in real time. Okay, we will see that later. And let's see one another term, extended reality. So we can see extended reality is umbrella term encapsulating augmented reality, virtual reality and mixed reality and everything in between. First, we need to understand that extended reality is nothing else. It is just a common term used either for AR, VR, MR or mix of one or two. And now we should proceed with AR, VR in individuals. So here is our question, what is augmented reality? Till now I have said augmented reality multiple times but never actually explained it. So now we are here to explain augmented reality. So already said the definition, but I will say it twice. Augmented reality is a technology that superimposes computer-generated images on viewers' view of real world, thus providing a composite view. Okay, this definition seems a bit complicated. Let's break it down. What is reality? The first thing is, what is reality? We are using the term augmented reality, but reality is the basic of that. तो reality, जो भी चीज़ हमारे आसपास है, हम जिस environment में रह रहे हैं, whatever the things are there, we are living in a real world. That we call reality. हमारे पास जो भी है, मतलब जैसे ये फ़ोन है, ये वॉल है, ये मैं बैठा हुआ हूँ, ये माइक है, ये सब चीज़ें रियल हैं. ये एक रियलिटी है जिसमें हम लोग जी रहे हैं. ऑगमेंटेड का मतलब ये होता है टू ऐड समथिंग टू दैट रियलिटी, मीन्स टू ऐड सम computer generated graphics to that reality. Let's see some examples to understand it clear. This is the real world. Suppose this is the room. Here is a sofa, TV and everything like that. And there is one computer generated image of a car, say 3D model of the car. The car is not actually available in this room, but we are able to see this car in using AR. And how can we see this AR? We cannot see it through our naked eye. We will need some external devices for viewing it. And I will tell you some of the most common devices that we use. First is handheld devices, that is our Android phones or iPhones. Second is heads-up displays like HoloLens, Meta 2 and etc. So the thing is, what happens beside this AR? This 3D model, it is generated in the app which we see in this HoloLens or our mobile. However, this model is not in there in the floor, but we can see it through our smartphone. Actually, there are a lot of sensors which are involved in creating this AR sensation. For example, our phone have so many sensors. For example, the camera, the GPS, accelerometer, compass, and even some Redmi phones have IR blaster, that is infrared blaster. तो उसका भी अपना ही यूज है. वैसे वो रिमोट के लिए एक्चुअली यूज होता है, जो लोग क्लास में प्रोजेक्टर्स ऑफ करने के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. तो ये बातें, तो इस तरह के जो सेंसर्स होते हैं वो स्मार्टफोन्स में होते हैं. और यही सारे सेंसर्स एक्चुअली में इम्प्लीमेंटेड रहते हैं होलोसेंस के अंदर, ये होलोलेंस और मेटा 2 के अंदर। होलोलेंस के अंदर भी कैमरा होता है, सीपीयू होता है, जीपीयू होता है, सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जिसकी हेल्प से हम लोग देख सकते हैं किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को।